First, let us open the package. But please don't disassemble the handlebars for now. To prevent the air entering from the brick, the toolkit and spare parts are included below list. Rearview mirror, charger and battery adapter, mobile phone holder, front wheel, front fender, rear fender, front shock absorber, upper and lower connecting plates, footrest. First, remove the steel bowl from the lower connecting plate. Install the upper and lower connecting plates. Load the steel bowl. Tighten the lower connecting board. Note that the handlebar can also be turned left and right. Remove the pressing block from the upper connecting plate. Then install the connecting plate. Leave it loose for the moment. Loosen the screws of the upper and lower connecting plates. Position the wire harness at the center. Then install the shock absorbing. You can use a flat head screwdriver to pry open the connecting plate. Ensure the shock absorber is flush with the upper connecting plate. Then tighten the screws of the upper and lower connecting plates. The front brake cable should be placed inside the shock absorber. Install the shock absorbers. Tighten the screws. And the nuts of the upper connecting plate. Attach the handlebar to the bike. Install the pressure block. First, loosely attach the screws. Adjust the handlebars to a comfortable position, then fully tighten the screws. Remove the foam padding from the brake levers. Take out the front wheel axle. Install the front wheel. Use a 28mm bushing on one side of the brake disc and a 30mm bushing on the other side. Install the front wheel axle and tighten the screws. Secure the brake cable to the cable clamp. Remove the screws from the brake assembly. Take out the retaining clip. Install the brake and tighten the screws. Remove the screws for fender installation on both sides. Install the fender brackets on both sides. Install small nuts on the inside to secure them. Then tighten the screws. Install the fenders and tighten the screws on both sides. Remove the screws for instrument panel installation. Then install the speedometer and tighten the screws. Remove the screws for headlight installation. Install the headlight and tighten the screws. Remove the screws for rear fender installation, including the screws on both sides. Pass the taillight wire through the hole. Install the rear fender and tighten the screws, including the screws on both sides. Connect the taillight wire to the pre-installed connector under the rear fork. Secure the taillight wire properly. Install the pedal marked with R on the left side. Install the pedals on both sides. Install the rear-view mirrors and tighten them clockwise. Tighten the mirrors using a 14 mm wrench. Remove the screws of the mobile phone holder. Install the phone holder and tighten the screws. Connect to the pre-installed wires by aligning the arrows on the connectors with each other. Adjust the size of the adjacent chainring as needed. The USB port is located at the bottom. Install the reflector on the front shock absorber. Remove the cover of the battery compartment. Connect the battery connector. Then turn on the air switch. Reinstall the battery compartment cover. Turn on the instrument panel, and the vehicle is ready to ride.